my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well today. And I am really excited for today's reaction because I already know this song, sort of I know this song and I know about this group. This is Treasure and I had reacted to them for the first time when I was doing my Mama 2020 performance reactions. So that's how I came to know of them. I know they are from YG. They debuted this year, consist of 12 members, and I think, correct me if I'm wrong, they have been formed basis part of a reality show that was conducted by YG, some sort of competition. Do let me know and give me more context on that. So yes, the song, I know there are 3 songs, I Love You, and the latest one is but I have chosen I Love You because if you've seen my reaction, the Mama reaction, I had told that I really like I Love You. Though in that one it was sort of like a ballad kind of sound, but a lot of viewers told me that it's actually not a ballad song. They have just changed the beat and the tune for the performances. So let's see. I love the melody of the song, though that's why I chose I Love You. Sarangeo, yes. So yeah, without delaying this any further, let's start. Okay. And oh. It's fast. Okay, it's fast beat. Okay.
깨질 것만 같아 가득한 fantasy 궁금한 mystery 제발 힌트를 줘 사소한 것 하나까지 널 따라해 실수한 건 아냐 자연스럽게 이미 몸에 깊게 빼인 너란 향기에 중독이 돼 버린 거야 너 없이 난 아무것도 못해 내가 바보 같아 보이겠지 심장이 너 없인 뛰질 못해
It's a really fast song. It's a really fast song. The beat is about to drop now. But I already love the melody so much. And wow, what a drastic contrast from what they did in Mama.
머리부터 발끝까지 모두 다 사랑해
I like. Woo!
널 사랑해 잠깐의 불씨가 퍼져 flame 절대로 벗어나지만 내 frame 부피가 커진 내 감정이 100% 너로 차올라 내 품에 come on in
come on in 내게로 넌 나만 바라봐 뜨거운 태양처럼 맘대로 내 맘을 뒤집어 넣고 돌아서지만 내 손을 잡아
밖에 못 나가 너 때문에 미쳐 주체 못하는 beat 다 비달해 내게 노래 불러 들리니 where you at my 너 없이 난 아무것도 못해 내가 바보 같아 보이겠지 심장이 너 없인 뛰질 못해 머리부터 발끝까지 모두 다 사랑해
I want to see that step.
널 사랑해
Oh yes, I love particularly this beat change when thang thang. Oh man, oh wow, what an upbeat song. Are they singing for their fandom? Sarange? Let me know.
널 사랑해 널 사랑해
Oh, I'm loving this. Sarange.
매일 up and down 건조한 날 벅적신 건 너야 매일 밤 너란 사람 때문에 미쳐버린 거야 숨이 조절 실패야 너 없이 난 아무것도 못해 내가 바보 같아
This is a perfect song to play and blast in a club / pub. Absolutely. That's the first thought which came in my mind. It's such a great party song.
다 보이겠지 심장이 너 없인 뛰지 못해 머리부터 발끝까지 모두 We going hard 뜨겁게
See? What a great song!
불태울게 라라라라라 With your stop in the air
The next one was so I don't know. Okay, let me stop this first. I already knew they were great dancers because the Treasure performance was so good, so good. I mean, please do check the reaction if you haven't. It's there on my Treasure. Like I've made a separate playlist for each group. So guys, if you want to search any particular group, I have a playlist. Just go to the playlist section and you can find all the, because there are so many groups, so I have ensured that even if I've reacted to their song, that particular group song only once, I've put it as a separate playlist so that it's very easy to navigate. Okay, particularly about this song, the performance had a ballad music and this is such a, oh my god, this song has such a punch. Beautifully done, and I really like the sound mixing of the song. There's so many beat variations which I loved. Their dancing, the choreography is amazing. Sets are great. I think for me particularly, I really liked the choreography of the song. What stood out for me in this MV particularly was the choreography and how much in sync, because it's not an easy thing to choreograph a group of 12 people. So it's really nice, and already I knew the melody of the song. The melody of the song is really nice. I loved it when I had listened to it the first time in the Mama performance. And then this step, this is a really great party song. I wish I had known of this song before New Year's Eve, so I could have played this. I didn't know, but it's okay. So yeah, Treasure, I know there are 2 more videos of them. I will react eventually to both the songs. I want to, because I had liked all the 3 songs when I had listened to it during their performance. So yeah guys, that was my reaction to a Treasure. Sarange, I love you. I don't know how long it'll be after once I get all the names and the faces correct. Though I did not attempt to learn their names yet, but I think eventually once I get into a group, I will learn their names eventually. So yeah guys, that was it from me. I hope you enjoyed this reaction. Do subscribe to the channel if you are a K-pop lover, and I will see you on my next video. Sarange!